Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to Colombian Tours, and we're going to give you a room tour today. Right here from Alma, this is one of the most beautiful apartments here in Cartagena de Indias. Come with me. Guys, look at this. We got a big sofa here. I'm going to sit in the sofa so you can relax and enjoy. These are not from Colombia. These are from Chile, but they're very good. But these oranges are from Colombia. And look at this beautiful table we have right here in the middle, in the center of this beautiful and wonderful apartment, the one of the apartments of Alma. I really love those lamps. Look at those lamps that they have over here. Look at the lamps. Wow, they are really, 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 really wonderful. And we're having a great time over here. I got to show you more about this apartment so you can enjoy and you can come over here and you can book it. Okay? You can check it out on Booking. Also, you can check it out on Airbnb. Or maybe you can check it out with us so you can have and enjoy all of this great apartment and we can get you a great discount. They are telling me that we can get a great discount. You have here like a kind of a kitchenette with a refrigerator and everything, all the appliances. Look at the dishes you have over here. And you have the restaurant by your side, so you have no problem. Everything is totally equipped. So you can come over here. Also, you can cook and you can have your dinner table over here. Come with me. We're going to take you to the master bedroom where the magic happens. That's what they're telling me. Because sometimes the magic can happen on the sofa, you know? What do you think about that? Oh my God. This is a nice bed. Look at this. Hello, baby. How are you? Welcome here. I'm waiting for you. She's coming. Man, what are you waiting for? Come with us. Let me check this room. The bed is really incredible. It has a nice cushion and a nice mattress. It has let's check out the bathroom. Wow. Wow. It is a really, really, really very nice place. Right over here in Cartagena. Is located right here in the center of Cartagena at the Calle Baloco. Obviously, it has an AC, all the things you have to have in a hotel room, the safe box, big screen, flat screen TV, so you can watch all the games. What is your team? I'm going to tell you which is my team. Maybe. Okay, I'm a Dolphin fan, so I like the Dolphins. Yes, I know. You might be mocking at me, but I like the Dolphins. You know, what can I do? Go, Fins! Okay, Jets fans, don't mock at me, or the KC fans. Look at this, beautiful. This is like wallpaper. Very nice. Very nice decoration. And this is the room for the kids. Or for the other couple that comes here to Cartagena to enjoy here at La Calle Baloco at this beautiful, beautiful, incredible apartment that is available for rent. It even has a balcony over here where you can feel like a conquistador back in the times of the conquista, back in the times of when the Spanish conquistadores were over here. This is a very spacious restroom that you can have over here with the shower and everything, and a very spacious restroom that you have here. And, well, look at it. Wow. I really like this apartment, and maybe you can come over here to Cartagena. Let me tell you about one thing. One of the most special things about this apartment here at Alma is the location, you know? Location is number one. It's located in Calle Baloco. It's just 1 block away from Plaza Santo Domingo, 1 block away from Plaza Parque Bolivar, 1 block away from the library, 1 block away from the Museo de la Esmeralda. You got to come to Museo de la Esmeralda. I can take you there. And 1 block away from the Museo del Oro, 2 blocks away from the Plaza de los Coches, right in the middle of Cartagena, guys. What are you waiting for? Come over here. Look at this. Beautiful, spacious, sensational, wonderful. Whatever adjectives you want to put into this apartment here at Alma. It is really wonderful, and I really recommend it to you. Come over here to Cartagena, and remember to book my private tours so you can have all the information about my beautiful city in my country, Colombia. Come over here to the Alma Apartments. You also can enjoy this beautiful sunroof that we have, or rooftop that we have over here. And look at that. That is the cupola of San Pedro. And here we are right in the middle, right in the center of Cartagena de Indias. Wow. That is a cathedral. Having a little bit of maracuya, passion fruit, you call it. Here we are from Alma in Cartagena. One of my favorite places in the city where you have to come for some coffee or some very good food all the time. This is Alma in Cartagena. You come over here, you come to my city, and you enjoy a lot. This is Colombian Tours right here from Alma in Cartagena. One of my favorite things in Alma is that everything here is plastic-free. No plastic at all. This is cardboard. They're good. From paper straws. We are one of the most beautiful streets of Cartagena. It's called La Calle de Baloco. And we're going to enter booking an Airbnb apartment that they have over here. It's called Alma Apartments. This is one of the most beautiful streets of Cartagena, guys. La Calle de Baloco. Look at this. Wow. Remember to book my private tours all around Colombia. Today, we're here from Cartagena de Indias, one of my favorite cities of my country, Colombia. Come on, subscribe to my channels and book my private tours. My name is Néstor Meléndez, and I am a certified tour guide here in Colombia, so I can take you all places all around in my beautiful country. Number 2 in biodiversity in the whole planet. So you're going to enjoy a lot in Colombia. This is Colombian Tours. Check it out. Subscribe to my channel. Book my private tours. We love you here from Colombia. Enjoy.